Shadowlord, you may have been wondering what happened to me during the Starfall Island incident. Well, I've continued my work as a gun agent as usual. During one of my missions, I was looking around for any task to do until I ran into Sonic, who mysteriously was holding a mysterious blue ring. After a quick fight, I decided to learn more about the ring. I've discovered that it contained a spirit of an ice demon. I knew this ring had to be dangerous. When I arrived on Angel Island, it was too late. Eggman attacked and almost caused Sonic and his team to crash. However, Sonic was able to open a ring portal to another realm where the Blizzard Ring originated from, in which I followed. Now the five of us are trapped in an ice realm with an ice castle ruled by a mysterious Ice Emperor. And... oh no! They're here! Computer, delete the locks now! That was quick. Time to find Sonic.